Good day, everyone, and welcome to your oral com subject. And this morning, I would like to invite you to a wonderful learning experience. And at this moment, we're going to tackle about the communicative strategy. So, what is communicative strategy? First is it is the scheme of planning how to share information. The second one is it's the choice of the most useful objectives of communication. So we have also the types of communicative strategy. The first one is nomination. So what comes first to your mind when we say nomination? It's like election, right? So nomination means it is the speaker to carry out nomination to collaboratively and productively establish a topic. So it is by the use of the word nominate or to initiate a topic. Like for example, if you want to say something in your group, like you have the brainstorm activity, so you need to say something about a topic or a certain idea that you would want to share to your group. For example,
do you have any idea? Have you heard the news about the school's recent achievements? Any question?
Second type of communicative strategy is what we call restriction. Okay, from the word alone, restriction. So when I say restricted area, it means that you are not allowed to enter such area. So there is limitation. Okay, it means that a speaker's limitation as a speaker. So if you are not asked to say something, so you are obliged or being commanded to stop and keep your pause and just listen to the speaker. So that's restriction. For example,
in class, you might be assigned to do a talk about marriage. You were requested to deliver a welcome speech in a local dialect.
The third type of communicative strategy is what we call the turn taking. Okay? It means it promotes equality and equity to the participants. So all participants are allowed to say something or communicate because they are part of the communication process. The second one is it gives communicators a chance to speak. So everyone is allowed to speak and to say something about the topic or a certain idea that they wanted to share with the group. For example,
let us listen to the one presenting. Yes, please finish your piece, then I will say what I think.
According to PESE, there are 7 turn-taking strategies. Number 1 is speak, then ask. So you're going to speak first and then you could ask questions. The second one is use conjunctions. So what are our conjunctions? They are the but, or. So you could have also the abbreviation part of that or the acronym. Okay, we have the fun boys. Okay, you know that, I know. I knew it very well. Then the third one is phrases for agreeing and disagreeing. There are really phrases for agreeing and disagreeing. And you can also visit your book for that. The fourth one is asking for and giving opinions. Of course, we are being bounded to communicate. That's why every time as a person speaks, we could also share our opinion, something like that. Then the number 5 is fillers for pauses. Number 6, avoiding interruptions. And then number 7, fluency and accuracy. So whenever we speak, it should be accurate and fluent. We speak fluently so that the other person or the other communicator would listen and comprehend what we are saying. One is topic control. So the focus is central to topic control as a communicative strategy. Another one, it's avoiding unnecessary interruptions and topic shifts. Okay, for example, whenever you say something about this topic, so do not get away from that topic, but rather you stay focused. You need to elaborate more on the topic. Do not shift. Okay, because that would bring commotion, or it will not let your audience listen to you because there are many topics that you are dealing with. Okay, so just focus on one topic and never mind the other topics that you would want to say. Okay, for example,
We learn an important lesson from this experience. From now on, we need to inform our members promptly to avoid unnecessary inconvenience.
the fifth type of communicative strategy is what we call the topic shifts. Okay, from the word shift. Okay, the meaning is it serves as a link from one topic to another. So compared to topic control, you are only allowed to say one topic or to elaborate one topic. But in here, since it's topic shifting, you are now allowed. Okay? The second one is it is a part of conversation where the end and beginning meet. Okay, what does it mean by that? So always make sure that the things that you have elaborated will come to a unanimous decision or conclusion. Okay, because the beginning and the end should meet, and also the topic that you're going to discuss or to add will somehow give justice to what you are sharing. Okay, they should be in a smooth and collaborative ideas. For example,
I would like to add to what you said about the cases of COVID.
now with the sixth type of communicative strategy, which is what we call repair. Okay, from the word alone, repair. So what does it mean by that? Like for example, there is a misunderstanding between you and your parents or family members, so you need that to repair. That is also through in communicative strategy. So repair means to fix or to restore. Another one is it refers to how a speaker addresses the problems in speaking, listening, and comprehending that are encountered in a conversation. Okay, as a language student, you should know how to repair. Okay, for example,
Excuse me, but there are 7 types of communicative strategy, not 6.
and the last but not least, the seventh type of communicative strategy is what we call termination. Okay, have you ever watched the movie Terminator? Okay, termination you would end. Okay, so it means that this is a strategy used to end a topic or a conversation through close initiating expressions. Okay, of course, when you are with your friends, with close friends, your family members, as if you don't want to end your conversation, if you are saying or telling or sharing something which is worth sharing. But in academically, you should know how to limit your thought. Okay, that is true with this, the termination effect. Okay, and I hope that whenever you discuss something, of course, you would end up to justify what you are saying. Okay, to better elaborate this, let's take this as example.
Is there anything else I can help you with? I'm glad to meet you. See you around. Thank you very much for listening.
Let's have a recap. So what is the use of communicative strategy? This is the scheme of planning how to share information. Okay, of course, whenever you say something, you should plan ahead because you would know that that information is shareable or worth sharing. So what are the types of communicative strategy? Number one is nomination. Means nominate or you initiate a topic. Second one is restriction. It is the speaker's limitation. Number three is turn taking. There is an equal opportunity for the speakers to share the information they have. Number four is topic control. So you are not allowed really to get out from your topic. Number five is topic shifting. Then this is the time that you are now allowed to shift from your topic to another as long as they go together or have a smooth transition. Number six is repair. Okay, it means that to fix or to restore. So it's our duty as you as language students and me as language teacher to repair what have been marked. And number seven, the last one is termination. So every one of us, of course, also have our limits. So if it's your time to stop, then that's the time you're going to terminate your thought. And we are given the chance to speak. And it is being admonished that whenever we speak something, it should be with kindness, with love, so that the things that we are sharing would repair the things being marred by sins. Okay? Congratulations for getting this far of your activity and learning in our dear institution, Nella College. And I hope that you will be one of the best communicators, not only here in the Philippines, but all over the world. Thank you so much for listening.